Good morning, beautiful friend. Welcome back to the garden with me, Eve. I am showing you guys the update in the garden. Yes, guys, yesterday I purchased 59 gingers. Like I said, I am saving all my money, guys, to get eye gingers this season. I love eye gingers that much because I know it's not every year or the whole year you're gonna find eye gingers, but me, I dedicated April and May to purchase eye gingers. Yesterday I purchased 15 of them, 10 big leaf eye gingers, and I also purchased 4 of those sweet starline eye gingers. It's a beautiful one. And then she's starting to bloom. I hope she can do what she said she will do. 4 feet wide and 3 feet wide. It's a beautiful light gingers. Look at this, look at this. And let me show you guys what exciting me is, like, they starting having some little flowers. Look at this, friends. I think I got 50 or 60 gingers over here in this circle over there, from here to there. Oh my god. And then I clear out. I purchased those lime lava gingers in 2 or 3 stores, and there's one more store. I feel like for some reason, guys, I feel like I need 6 more lima gingers. I don't know why, but that's the urge I feel like. Yesterday when I went there, they didn't have no more left. I said, oh, I feel like, oof, girl, you should get the rest. And I also, like I said, I also purchased this one, the original blooms. I also purchased this one, and those, I think those one right there, those are 2 penny Mackay gingers on this side right here. I'm hiding them there because they can't take sun. That's what I put them on the front right here. And the gingers was right there. That's what it's a little bit messy. I'm gonna let it dry and then to blow those little dirt, or I can wash it tomorrow. But so far, guys, as you see, I removed those 2 gingers was there. They was not looking good, and I hiding them right here. There's one right there here, and the other 3 are right there. For some reason, I don't know why I don't want to spend money on purchasing other flowers to put there, but like I said, I am saving all my money for hygingers. That's all I doing, and I don't have no regret. I am so happy about my decision because, like I said, I purchased, like, I think 60 hygingers this season, and I'm not done yet. And you guys know the other hyginger garden I have over there, it's big. It's a lot of them. That's where I'm going to bring those hygingers there, because those big leaf hygingers, I can have them here because they will die here in a minute. They will die because there's too much sun on this place right there. But I'm going to clean them out here and bring them back to my friend place. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you for another video in the garden.